Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to fix Facebook Music Stories not showing problem, which I saw that many of you guys had, so I will help you figure it out. As you can see right now, my music stories work because I have done everything in the video, so make sure to watch carefully and do everything as I did. First of all, we have to check if our Facebook is updated to the fullest. For that, I will go into my Play Store, as you can see right now, and it's updated to the final version. Your version might not be updated because Facebook does not automatically update, and it works without updating too, so it's different. Always check your App Store and Google Play Store to make sure your Facebook is updated. If you ever see update here, it might not work or it might not work properly. So if it's updated, we will go back to our Facebook, and as you can see, after going to the Facebook, if it's still not there, the only thing we can do is going to the settings, and after going to the settings, we will see from here we can actually notify a problem. With this problem, we can just shake our phone, which is a really effective way to do it, or we can just keep notifying a problem, and we will say our music story is not working, because Facebook and Meta team actually cares about this. So if we just do it properly, it will actually work. From here you will see a lot of stuff, and you will just find your problem here and actually tell them about the problem. For now I will just say lives in general and say music story not working. So if I send this, it's great. It will just compile everything and then send them the data, which is great, and it will solve the problem in a day or two max. I hope this helped you guys, and if you have any other problem, I will see you in the next videos. Goodbye and have a great day.